Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. If you are new here, my name is Kevin and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I bleach my hair at home to get platinum blonde hair. I have done one of these videos in the past. It was actually my first video I ever uploaded to my channel and it recently hit 100,000 views, so thank you all so much for watching that. And if you came from that video, I'm going to show you an updated version, a little bit higher quality video, because that one it was my first video and it was not that great. So currently I just want to talk about my hair a little bit. As you may know, I have done a lot of colors in the past and have bleached it over and over again. I'm sorry, my hair is a little bit messy right now. I didn't feel the need to style it for this video because I'm going to be like washing it and messing with it anyways. As you can see, the natural regrowth goes up to about here. So I'm going to be cutting off all of this dead hair that was once bleached and colored over and over again. And these sides are all my natural color, with a little bit of grays because I'm already getting gray. I am so excited to bleach my hair again and be able to play with colors because I have so many more hair dyes now that I want to try out, and also I kind of miss the blonde hair. I miss the colored hair. I mean, I do live for the brown hair, but everyone has brown hair and I want to be different, so... But that is currently what I'm going to do first. I am going to cut my hair and then I'll come back to start the bleaching process with you guys, also in a different shirt. So, see you guys in a few minutes with my hair shorter than it is right now. Bye. So. Alright guys, so I'm back. I had just cut my hair. Yes, it is very short. I'm so sad I had to cut off the long hair. But my hair grows super fast, so it's going to be back in about a month or two. It's going to be long at the top again. So this is our canvas that we're working with today. I have all of my products that I'm going to be using in front of me. Alright, so the bleach that we're going to be using today is the Wella Color Charm Powder Lightener. If I'm not using this one, I am using the L'Oreal Quick Blue Powder Lightener. And for developer, we're going to be using the 40 and the 30 volume Salon Care Developer. 40 is the highest you can go in developer. The higher the volume, the more lift you will get. So if you use like a 10 volume developer, it will not lift that much. It will just barely lift any of the color out of your hair. I am going to take a mixture of the two. I recommend using a 30 because that is the safest route to go with getting the most like lifting payoff. You're going to need a brush and a bowl, something to measure everything with, and I have some gloves right here. You definitely want to use gloves because if you get any of the bleach on your hands or your skin, it will really damage your skin. So I suggest using gloves. And for the bleach and the developer, you're going to want to take a 1-to-1 ratio. So you're going to mix equal parts developer and bleach. All right, so right now I'm just taking 1 scoop of the bleach and then I'm going to make 1 scoop of the developer. Once you have everything in there, you're going to take your gloves, make sure to put your gloves on, and you're just going to mix everything together with the brush. Oops. Alright, and so just a little tip I recommend, I'm not going to be doing these things on this video, but I do recommend taking a petroleum jelly, maybe like Vaseline or something, and rubbing it on your skin like right underneath where your hairline is at, because that will protect your skin from damage in case any of the bleach gets on it. And also, I recommend not washing your hair for about 2 to 3 days before you do the bleaching because the natural oils in your hair will really prevent more damage. Alright, so once we have everything mixed, we're just going to start applying it. And I don't have any specific way of doing this. It's a lot easier for me because I have short hair. If you have long hair, it's easier to work in sections. But if you have short hair, I kind of just like brush it in there. And then once I brush the direction of my hair, I will then go the opposite direction of the hair against the natural direction. And really fast before I cut to the next part, I just want to mention that I am not a professional. I did go to cosmetology school for a while, but I dropped out. I never finished cosmetology school. This is just how I personally do my hair. I've been bleaching my hair for a few years now. I think this is like my 5th time bleaching my hair. And do not come for me in the comments, please. Oh, and also before anyone says in the comments, I do recommend going to a professional, but if you want to do this at home, this is what I do. You can take my advice, you can not take my advice, it's up to you. This is just a video I plan to upload on my channel because it's my channel, I can do what I want. So Alright, so I'm going to cut to the end where I have it applied all throughout my hair, and then I will check in with you guys before I wash it out. Alright, hello guys, so I am back. I finally covered all of my hair in the bleach. So now the next step is to cover your hair with a hair cap. I actually don't have a hair cap, so I'm going to be using a grocery bag, which is what I usually do. So when you're applying the grocery bag, if you are using a grocery bag and it has any print on it, make sure that you do not put the print side on top of your hair because it will then transfer onto your hair. So I'm using a hair dryer with heat and I'm just going to blow dry the outside. It's been about 15 minutes now, so I'm gonna leave this in for the rest of the 45 minutes. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. I'm actually gonna rinse this out now, and I will be back to check in with you guys one more time. Alright guys, hello, so I am back again, and I just rinsed out my hair. I used shampoo, conditioner, and I used a purple shampoo just to get rid of some of the brassiness in my hair. It is quite a bit brassy, but I think this is a very great job for the first bleaching process. So to cut down the video time, I am just going to walk you guys through what I'm going to do in the morning, and I will check in with you guys after I do that. I'm going to repeat the same process that I did in the beginning of this video. So if you want to know what I'm going to do in the morning, just rewind this video back to the beginning and follow those steps for your second bleaching process. And then once I finish with the second bleaching process, I am going to go on to the toner, and I will show you guys how I do the toner once I do it. Hello guys, so it is now about 2 days later. I did my second bleaching and then I waited about 2 days to do this because I didn't have the toner or the supplies I needed. So I had to run to Sally's today, get the supplies, and now we're about to tone our hair. And the supplies that you are going to need for this is a 20 volume developer, the Wella T18 toner. Let me give you guys a little close up. It looks like this, and this is the one that I always use when it comes to going for more like a platinum blonde, because this is a lightest ash blonde. The T10 is similar, but it will give you more of that like yellow natural blonde like look, and this one gives you more of that silvery-ish, like a cooler blondish white, if that makes sense. Once you start to mix it, it will start to turn like a purplish color, but please do not be scared by that. It is not going to dye your hair purple. Alright, and when it comes to the toner, I apply it just like I would a bleach. This is why I cut my hair super short when it comes to like bleaching or toning my hair for the first time, because I have to do it so many times and it's so tedious to part your hair over and over again to get it spread out evenly. When I have super short hair, I could just take the brush and run it through like this. Excuse me. As you can see, it's starting to turn a little bit purple right here. It's not going to dye your hair purple. It's just toning your hair with the purple tones. I'm like a grammatical genius. So. Alright you guys, so I applied it all throughout my hair, and it says to leave this on for about 30 minutes. I haven't checked the back yet, so I need to go check that and make sure that it's fully covered. But I'm going to leave this in for 30 minutes, let it develop, and then I'm going to wash it out, and I'll come back to show you guys the final result. Alright you guys, so I just finished washing out the toner, and this is the final result. I am so pleased with how it turned out. Usually it takes me 3 bleaches to get like an almost white color, but it only took me 2 bleaches this time. I mean, I admit that she could be a little less yellow, but this is really good. I am so excited for this. I'm excited to be playing with hair dyes again. I can't wait to start trying out different hair dyes, new brands, and different colors. And I mean, that's what you guys subscribe to this channel for. I am starting to do a little bit more makeup, so it's going to be like makeup and hair videos, but I am going to get back into the hair videos finally because my hair is healthy again and it's not super damaged. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of this result, and also let me know of any hair dyes, any hair styling products, anything that has to do with hair. Let me know what you guys want me to try in future videos, and I will definitely make videos trying those things out. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.